You're with ET Now, and this is Markets at Lunch.
Still trading pretty quiet, but let's get you individual stock-specific ideas from our three experts on board, CK Narayan, Ashwini Gujral and Mitesh Thakkar. CK, you go first with your afternoon trading calls.
Well, I have a long recommendation for JSW Steel. I think the stock is trading pretty well and looks set to maybe cover some more ground. It's in the region of about 697, 98 thereabouts. Go long at the current level using a stop at about 687, looking for an immediate target at 720. I think Tata Motor has had a fairly brisk rally at about 130. It has reached into, this is Tata Motor DVR, it has reached into resistances, and I think with the results at least a week away from today, there may be insufficient triggers to hold it up. So maybe it will peel back a little. So I am recommending a short in Tata Motor DVR at the current price of 130. Use a stop of 4 points from entry and look for a target at about 122.
Okay, Mitesh Thakkar also joins in with his midday trading ideas. Mitesh has got a call on Coal India and TTK Prestige.
TTK Prestige is another stock which I like a lot. The stock made a new all-time highs, managed to get past the earlier highs of 3620. So keeping a stop below 3600, I would recommend buying this with a price target of 3900 on the upside. And I've got a sell in Coal India, which I would wait for the stock to trade below yesterday's low of 345. Once it does that, sell with a stop at 352.5 and look for a price target of 330 on the downside.
And finally, let's also get you midday trading ideas from Ashwini Gujral. He's got a call on Jubilant Food and Cummins. Ashwini.
Well, the moment the blackout happened, I immediately remembered Cummins. I think the stock has worked today, although for different reasons. Chances are, this is going to become a multi-bagger given our power situation. So not only for the day, even a longer term, it's a good stock. This is a buy with a stop about 463, target of 500. Jubilant Food is now breaking down below 1100. It's kind of breaking down a 150, 170 point range. So it's probably going to get into at least a consolidation if it's even if it's not topping out. So that's a sell with a stop about 1130, target of about 1050. And Arvind Mills, that's a sell with a stop about 74, target of 63.
Ashwini, how about United Spirits? Because that as well has been doing pretty well the last couple of days.
Well, that's been running up on fairly strong volume. Yesterday was a dip which we had suggested that needed to be bought into. There seems to be some story that's probably taking the stock higher. Chances are it will get closer to 870, 880.